humans came from apes, no? That time. What they used to do? Do they know how to cook?
Vikas.
Do they know this type of rods? No. Do they know this bird? No. What in your version? What sort is like belongs to early man?
Walking with four legs.
Huh?
Walking with four legs.
Very good. Walking with
Four legs. Eating raw meat.
Okay, eating raw meat. Okay, how they used to hunt?
With
Rocks. With like this sharp edge rocks. Okay?
Yes.
See, this is somewhat not sharp, but they used to carve it. Okay? Carve it like very sharp. They used to make it with flint stones, not this type of stone. Flint stones. What?
Flint stones.
And one more usage of stone is what?
Fire.
Yes. Fire also came with not normal stones. It came with flint stones. What?
Flint stones.